Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to teach you to make this. So what it is this little basket. This little thing like diner. And then this really realistic pizza. And also if you want for a side, I'll show you how to make French fries and a salad. And the only things you're gonna need is a plate, scissors, black marker, red, yellow, kind of like a pale, light-skinned, a golden yellow, like a lime green, a maroon, and I have two reds. And then you're gonna need like watercolor paper. That's really soft paper, some yellow paper, and a napkin. So first up, the easiest thing is all you need to do, if you want, you can just make doll-sized napkins. But then to make the pizza, you will cut out a little square of the plate like that. So it should look like this. And then when you're done, if yours looks a little wonky, kind of take your scissors and push down that flat part, but also leave it up a little so it has like detail. And that already looks like pizza. And then coloring. So first up, I'm gonna take this and color the crust. So you're only gonna color just like a tiny little rim of it. And then when you're done, it should look like that. And then you flip it over and do the back. And then you can add whatever like ingredients you want, but I'm gonna add pepperoni because that's the only kind of I eat. I only eat pepperoni. And because it's very spicy. So like that. Alright, so like that's the crust part. And to get the burnt marks at the bottom, sometimes they have burnt marks, you're gonna flip it over with your bat and just draw little circles of it. Like, doesn't even have to be a perfect circle. It can just be little dots like that. And then a little on that front crust. Then you're gonna take your red and draw some sauce. Just like that. Just a tiny little rim. And then some coming off the side. Just a little. Like it's kind of leaking to get detail. It already really looks like it. Then you're going to take a yellow and color the rest of that. So, just like that. And then you're going to take your red again and draw little pepperonis. And so you can draw tiny and big because sometimes in the oven, sometimes the pepperoni will like crumple up and feel really crispy. And then you're gonna take the black and draw like the pepper stuff it has to give it that spicy flavor from the oven. And then you can, if you want it to look a little more greasy and real, take the skin color and just kind of draw little waves around. Try and stay off the black or else it will kind of smudge. And that's your pizza. So one step done. And it's so cute. It's just this little pizza. But it's not that good. You need to add more because when you get served professional pizza, it comes in like this cool case. So next up, we're going to make the paper. And the paper is really easy and simple. you're gonna take this like paper that you keep in the printer or something, and you're gonna cut this small little square, just like that. And it can even be a little uneven. Then you will take your black and make that checkerboard. And it looks really nice. And but it doesn't really look like it until you do the double cross detail. And then if you want, you can do it to the back. That's what I did for it, just to give it like the real detail. So on the back, I use like Crayola, and it kind of turns up on the back, so I trace it to look a little even. But it doesn't look completely even, but it looks the same, and it doesn't even really matter. And then when you're done, you should have something like this. Kind of looks like a placemat or something, but non-colored. And then you take your red and fill in squares. And when you're done, it will look like this. So that's like 2 steps. Now I'm going to finish with later because I'm going to save some time. So, and the last thing you need to make the pizza thing that you like have the wrap in and everything is like what is it called? Watercolor paper. You're gonna cut out like a square, and you can measure because it depends on what doll you're gonna use it for. I would use it for a Barbie, or if you want it for an American Girl, make it a little larger. And maybe you measure it if you want it like a certain size, but. And then make it kind of like circle-y. Oh, no, I forgot. When you're done filling in all the squares, crumple it up in a ball a few times like this, but not too hard because then it might rip, but that gives it the real detail. And then when you're done with your circle, just cut little slips, just like that. And you can make them all different sizes, like one can be big, one can be small, but I'm like doing in between. Some of them are small, some of them are medium. I just did a really large one. But this part is going to be really tricky, so you're probably going to need some help. So this looks like this thing, but then you kind of make it look like a taco. And you kind of try and shape it into a bowl. And then there you go. And then you would place your placemat in after you're done crumpling it up. I'm not actually done coloring it. And then you place your pizza inside. And that's how it should look. And if you want to make French fries to go as a side, I use a green and a black marker and some yellow paper, and I would cut out little yellow strips and then take a black and green marker and just draw on it like real French fries. And I made these French fries, and they're really cute, and I love them. Like, there's black and stuff. Here's one with green. And that is how you make your adorable little pizza. I hope you liked it. Bye!